What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's video, it's gonna be a quick one. It's just I want to show this drone. This is the new updated version of the HST HC 635 drone. This is now the 653 drone. It has a new body, as you can see. This one now has been called the Storm. And it has a colorful controller. So as you can see, its shape has completely been redesigned. Its landing gear as well has completely been redesigned. Instead of 4 separate pieces, it's now a 2-piecer, so it's completely new design. So you can see from it, it also has like a little antenna there up here, but this does not provide any connection, nothing. It's just a piece of plastic for your average look. So let's get right into it and see how well it holds up. It has a very strong and fast auto takeoff. It's a more speedy drone, I can tell from how it feels. It has a more faster like feel to it, like more agility. Yeah, it's very, very fast. I can see that. The landing, the throttle, everything, it has a more speedier response to it. It's the same camera. It's your 2 megapixel HD camera. This everything you're seeing is on its first speed. Still have another 2 more speeds of it. A way quicker drone. It has so much more power and speed. There is a big difference. I can see that it's more sensitive, has a strong throttle. The speed of it is incredible. It is a lot faster. Let's see how fast it goes up. Yeah, throttle going up is way quicker than the older one, so there is a difference. There is a difference here in speed. Okay, now the battery's starting to die. Whoa. It almost hit the guy. Yeah, it's a little crazy drone, but let's land it. So that's it, people. pretty much it was just a quick review of the Storm from HST, the HC 653. It is a nice drone. The body has, like I said, completely been changed. More lighting you have on it, top and bottom. It looks beautiful. I really enjoy its flight. I did notice it's not as stable as the previous of the 635, but it is a lot more faster. And quite frankly, I really like the design, everything. The landing gear is just so convenient to be just them two pieces like that. It's just amazing. It's all in all, I really like the update. So hopefully more new videos in the future will be coming up of this or from this. So stay tuned till next time. Remember to be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!